Welcome, amazing people. This is the DFC channel. I'm your host, A to the Y to the O, and on today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the Oraimo Freepods2 2Baba tuned edition. Yeah. Now, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment in the comment section. We'd love to hear about what you have to say and what you think about this review and any other thing. And also share our video on your different social media platforms. You never know who will be benefiting from the information we are going to be sharing. Let's go. So the Oraimo Freepods 2, you probably have been seeing this on the internet if you're in Nigeria, on different social media, being advertised and all of that. They are this black, good-looking Freepods from the description of what we see online and all that. So we at DigiFOX Concepts decided to get our hands on one of these. We bought this. This isn't a sponsored video by anybody or any business or any company. DigiFOX Concepts actually purchased this for the sole purpose of unboxing it and having a review later on for you, our wonderful clients, to know if it's a good buy or you should probably just skip it. So a quick brief about what the Oraimo Freepods 2 2Baba tuned edition has. From what we can see on the boxing: instant connection, ergonomic earbuds, rich sound, powerful charging case, sweat proof, and lightweight. Also on the back we can see here rich sound, okay, comfortable fit. It has about 3.5 hours of music playtime and 24.5 hours by charging it with the case when the main Freepods are dead. It has touch controls, so there are no physical buttons but touch buttons on them, and instantaneous connection. Very good. All right, let's get straight into it. You ready? All right, people, straight to the packaging. When we got this, it came with a transparent wrapper on it, so we got rid of all of that. So we're going straight into opening this. Oh, okay. It has a magnetic flap here that snaps shut, and voila. Okay, we have to give it to Oraimo. The packaging is superb. A+ for the packaging. The print is matte finish and it won't be showing any much fingerprints and all of that. There's a plastic covering here which will be taken away, and there we have the Freepods 2, the 2Baba tuned edition. But there's a little box here which we would like to see what's inside this. Opening up, we have a cable, micro USB to regular USB, charging cable definitely. What else is in here? Nothing else but a manual for you to go through and know how to use your device. Very thoughtful, and that will come in handy for the review later on. And taking this out, there's nothing else in here, so that's just it. And then we have the Freepods, and we're taking this away. So this is what the Freepods 2 2Baba tuned edition looks like. It's very small, very petite, very portable. It's made of glossy plastic, so there's going to be a lot of fingerprinting and oil stains, so you would have to probably clean this up regularly. A matte finish would have been nice, but still, this is very good, and the gold prints on it come out very great. There's a micro USB charging port underneath it, and there are tiny 3 LED displays here. I don't think you can see that, but I guess when we flip it open, you'll see what all that is. So let's flip it open and see what we got in there. Voila. Device 1 and device Freepods 2. So these are what the Freepods look like. We love the design. It looks like it's going to fit quite well into everybody's regular ear and without the rubber knob. Those ones with rubber knobs are usually so difficult to fit into our own ear particularly. I don't know about the rest of you, but these look great. And indicators here showing that it's trying to pair with the device close by. And what else can we say? We have the left and right indicator on them, and these are apparently the touch sensitive parts of the Freepods. We've got to say, we love how it looks. You know, it's glossy black with the gold fine prints. Really cool looking, we got to say. Very not the common white ones that everyone else creates and all of that, which can easily get mistaken for an Apple AirPod. So this cannot be mistaken, definitely. When we did get this, yours might come with a wrapper, a transparent plastic wrap around the bottom here to prevent the connectors from constantly being in touch with the charging station. So be sure to remove that should you get yours after seeing this video and our review. Don't get it yet. Unless, well, you just want to go ahead, we can stop you. So now, let's go into pairing. So for our pairing, we are going to be using our Nokia device here. Open this up, straight to the settings, Bluetooth connected devices. And I guess this have probably stopped. Oh, they are still actually looking to get paired. So let's do this. Pair your device. There it is. Oraimo Freepods2 2Baba and pairing. Pair. And great, it's paired already, showing 100% battery. It's been charged already by the Freepods2 case already. So let's see what happens when we put it back into. This is very satisfying, by the way. Very easy to flip open. I think there are magnets around here that allow easy close and open. So putting this back, let's see how long it takes to disconnect. There, it's disconnected. So let's see how quickly it takes to reconnect back. Bring this out, and it's connected. Oh, please don't think that actually me closing this or opening this actually was making it connect or disconnect. This has nothing to do with that. These are doing all of that by themselves. So the connection is quite quick. So from what they put on the box there, where they mentioned quick pairing, instant connection. Yeah, that's quite good. It makes sense. It's quite quick and all of that. So we'll be looking forward to testing this in our review and giving you feedback on how it goes. So for a quick roundup, people, packaging, A+. Oraimo did a very fantastic job with the packaging of this device. The Freepods themselves look very smooth, petite, and we love the whole black and gold combination. The case, the Freepods themselves look ergonomic, and we're hoping they're going to perform very well when we have to review them. The contents don't have much, and really, I don't think we're expecting too much, although a cover case would have been nice. And well, we're going to get all into that in the review. So we will update you. If there's anything you would like to know for us to bring out for the review, comments in the section and let us know what it is before we release that video. We'll try to see how we can integrate that. So on that note, we are going to be saying thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. You've been wonderful. Don't forget again, at DigiFOX Concepts, we are a business into graphic, printing, designing, packaging, tech devices, products and services and all of that. Be sure to patronize us, refer us, recommend us. We do appreciate you sincerely. Whatever it is your business needs, we got you covered, baby. Peace. Stay tuned for the review.
Stay safe, protect yourselves and your loved ones, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!